Fisher & Paykel recently introduced Sabbath mode to its classic and contemporary dual fuel ranges. Let's take a look at how to access it. First, at the TFT clock, we're going to go ahead and hit the remote or check button to access settings. We're going to scroll over to settings, press accept. At this juncture, we have the option to go ahead and turn on or off the oven light. For our intents and purposes here, we're going to go ahead and turn it off. So I'll hit select, scroll to off, and select again, and that setting has been changed. So now back to settings. We're going to scroll down to Sabbath mode and hit accept. We're going to turn it on. Now we can choose for how long to run this. I'm going to go ahead and select 48 hours. Okay, hit accept. Now I'm being prompted to set the bake and temperature. So I'm going to scroll and select bake with my function dial and then select my predetermined temperature. I'm going to go ahead with 200 degrees. Press accept. And Sabbath mode has been activated. In the event you'd like to cancel it, you can simply hold down the cancel button. During this process, no lights, sounds, alarms, or any visual indicators will be engaged during the length of Sabbath mode that's been selected.